Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Matt, the Funnel Builder Guy with thefunnelbuildertool.com. With the subject of today's video is how to make affiliate marketing work for real. So if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you see one of my ads, or you're involved in affiliate marketing, network marketing, you're trying to sell your own product, CPA marketing, and you're not having the results that you want. Now, I design funnels for coaches, offline businesses, beauty spas, nonprofits. My number one customers that comes to me to build funnels for them are affiliate marketers. So in this video, we're going to cover the two things that those affiliate marketers are doing to have results, and it's something that 95% of people that are doing affiliate marketing will not do. We want to show you some valuable information that we believe can help you with your affiliate business and help you make more money. Now, a little bit of background about me. I've been online since 2007. I've done pretty much every kind of offer out there, from network marketing to CPA to selling my own product to affiliate marketing. And I had my first success in 2008. It took a whole year before I had any kind of result, and that was selling an ebook on child anger management. Earned $14, damn near hit the floor. That first sale is going to make you feel like you're the richest person in the world. And then I had my biggest day online in 2010, which was where I made $1,400 in one day, selling a single item that cost 30 bucks. What both those scenarios have in common is I use one specific technique that we're going to talk about in this video that still works to this day for any kind of offer, no matter what it is. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, this will work. If you're doing things correctly, what you're doing is you're sending traffic to an opt-in page or a quiz page with one goal is to collect the lead. This is fundamentals of marketing. If you're not doing this, you need to get caught up to speed. What most programs teach you, they give you some kind of free system, some free funnel that's been used to death, that just doesn't really work that well. You need to do a self-branded funnel instead of sending traffic directly to an affiliate offer or webinar. You got to put some U factor in the equation. What most people do is they send traffic directly to the affiliate offer. Doing this doesn't result in results, but the results are usually under 2% conversion rates, 2% to 0. Your goal is to get your conversion rate above 3%. This is the holy grail. If you get 3%, especially in the front end, and then you clean up in the back end, you get up to 5 to 7, you're in a position where you can actually afford to pay for traffic to get sales. And the key to doing these numbers is with a bridge page. And on your bridge page, you have to put some U factor into the page in order to make it work. So on the bridge page, you got a few things you can do. One of them is called a pre-frame an offer. You can pre-sell the offer. I'm going to say plus bonuses. You can give away a gift. You can do a free training. This is in fact a training that I could technically put into a lead magnet. Sell a low ticket item and an appointment. These are the things you could do for your bridge page that actually work. Which one's going to work for you? You got to try it out. Basically, you're warming up your prospects to the idea of viewing your affiliate offer. This works good for doing something like weight loss. And let's just say you personally had a lot of results with weight loss. You're giving away some kind of recipe book, 21 meals I use to lose 100 pounds. Okay, and you're giving that away. So if someone opts in, and when they land on your opt-in page, you're going to send them to your bridge page. We're going to say, hey, thank you for opting into the list. The recipes are getting sent to your email. But one of the things that helped me tremendously with my weight loss was joining a community of like-minded people to help me stay motivated. It gave me good information. And ultimately, it's the number one secret to how I really lost 100 pounds. So it's something that I believe can help on anyone. It may or may not be for you, but I think if you're anyone like me who struggled over and over again to lose weight, I believe it's something that is your best option. So if you want more information on that, visit the link below. That is a pre-frame. Pre-sale is the same way, but you're getting more into detail what the product is. And usually it's like a review, and you can offer some kind of bonuses for anyone who does take part in that. Give it away a free gift, basically what I was talking about this before that. And another one is training. This video here is technically a training I could put into an opt-in form and give it away. And that might be how you're actually viewing that right now. But the idea is that you're going to tie in your affiliate offer in a way that is congruent with this. So just to be transparent, we are going to make you an offer at the end of this call. That offer is for a $25 tool that we believe can help you in your business. We just put it out there right now because a lot of times when you're on these calls, they're not transparent. You're on the call, and at the end of the call, you find out they want you to pay $1,000. That's not what this is about. Next thing you can do is sell a low ticket item, a little training for anywhere between $1 to $10. And that training has to be somehow directly related to your affiliate offer. The best way would be if they can't actually do what's in your training unless they get the offer. So I was price it low and put some good information in there. And the best thing about that is you're building a list of not just leads, you're building a list of buyers. And finally, appointment setting method you can do where you offer an opportunity for someone to book an appointment with you. This works for anyone who has any kind of success online. You have documented success, you have a history of success. What you can do is you can offer a free coaching offer. When people sign up for your opt-in, you send them to a video that says, hey, thank you for opting in. You can get the guide in your email. But listen, I want to talk to you personally. I'm willing to work with 5 people this month to see if I can help them get to X amount of dollars. Before we get into that, I want you to book an initial coaching call with me for 15 minutes to see if you're a ready candidate. You get them on the call, you find out where they're at, and you close them by saying, listen, if you really want to work with me, I'm willing to work with you to help you do what I do to have success online. But I'm only willing to work with you if you're willing to do everything I tell you to do. Now, first off, there are some tools you're going to need to get. You're going to need to have at least a $300 budget to get a start. But I'm not going to personally charge you for coaching because I'm looking for success stories to put on my sales page. Are you willing to work with me? Yes or no? Send them to your tool checklist page and you got signups. So that's what we do. And that's what you need to do. All right. You don't want to send directly to the affiliate link. You can start off this way, but you want to graduate to this level if you want to get higher conversions. You want to send traffic directly to the affiliate offer after they opt in, especially if you're paying for it. You want to hit them pretty hard for the first few days. And then you want to remove those leads after the autoresponder into a broadcast list. You don't want to broadcast the people in the autoresponder sequence, especially if you're doing multiple offers. You want to be congruent as much as possible. After 7 days, if you're loyal to what you're promoting, keep sending them there. If not, you can send them to other affiliate offers. This is the blueprint you need to have success with any affiliate offer. Stop doing this. Once you have some success doing this, graduate to doing this, and you can get higher conversions up to 3 to 5%. Okay. Now, the main thing people struggle with is traffic. What is traffic? It's engaged visitors. They click on some kind of content, some ad, and they land on your page. How do you get it? You get it by getting it. All right. You don't really need training on traffic. You might need training on specific platforms to get traffic, but you understand the premise of getting visitors. So there's 3 kinds of traffic you earn. This is content. If you don't have a budget, you need to be putting a lot of content out there. And when I say content, does not mean putting up a little ad that says, hey, listen, I know to make money, blah, blah, blah. You want to put up content that's actually valuable, that helps people and teaches them something. That's the best kind of content. Or if you put up one of those ads I'm talking about, you send them to some kind of valuable resource that teaches them some kind of information, maybe like this video. The next form of traffic is paid traffic you pay for. And that would be ads, Bing, Facebook, solo ads. Now, the problem with people who want to run ads is all they want to do is run ads to send traffic to an opt-in page, to send it to an affiliate offer. They never want to do this, which is why they usually convert at a loss at that 1 to 2% conversion rate. And really, if they had content and they marketed their content to the traffic that they got, they have better results. Right. And really, you want to get to a point where you can do both of these. I see a lot of people create great content that gets no traction because they're brand new, which is unfortunate because if they had an audience to market to, they would have better results with their emails. And finally, the third form of traffic is traffic that you own. This would be your list, or some people say blog, but really blog, you're at the mercy of the search engines, whether or not it stays in the search engine. And the whole idea is you want to get to a point where you can send out an email and get 50 to 100 clicks. At that point, you are a digital rainmaker. You literally make it rain by pushing a button. So when you get super consistent with content marketing to a point where you can afford paid marketing, what you get is a perfect marriage. And in a perfect marriage, before too long, you get one of these little bundles of joy, right? And we don't want one bundle. We want multiple bundles. We want quintuplets. The reason why we're doing this. Okay. So we're at the end of the little training. We just wanted to give you a little taste of what we have to offer. And we're interested in the possibility of working with you to help you maximize and make money with affiliate offer, no matter what offer you're promoting. So we want to offer you a chance to take part in our tool set in our community. Our community is basically a principle-centered community of like-minded people who are willing to work with each other to get the results we want with affiliate marketing. What separates us from a lot of the other communities is we offer 13 webinars per week, and 5 of those are specifically on traffic and conversions. The number one thing that causes people not to make money online is a lack of traffic, and that's all we teach. And you're also going to get access to a few bonuses for working with us. One of them is access to the affiliate domination course, which is a $300 course which covers this 2-step process to promote any affiliate offer. You're going to get access to 111 professionally written emails from copywriters and training on how to make them your own. And if you personally decide to work with me, the funnel builder guy, I'm going to personally help you set up a self-branded funnel to promote any offer that you want. Now, this may or may not be for you, but I got a good feeling that this is exactly what you've been looking for. Click the button below this video. You can be taken to another page to watch a video presentation to learn about our community. And if you have any questions, you can send me messages on Facebook or send me a text message and I'll get back with you. Take care. God bless. Bye for now.